Uh-oh, that's Priya. Sitar music for her ringtone is not cool, dude. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be working late. I miss you too. Yeah, okay, sure. I'll call you when I get home. Okay, bye-bye. Very nice. You lied to my sister.
That's the nicest thing he does to your sister.
Oh, guess who? A cover for me. Hello, Priya. What's up? How would I know if Leonard's at work or not?
We interrupt this programming for a WGN News special report.
Good afternoon, everybody. Just bear with me. I'll try to get through this fairly efficiently. I think you just heard the President and, of course, Karine speak about the critical importance of
This is a message from the White House and NORAD. Our country is currently being attacked with nuclear weapons. Stay inside your homes, as leaving could be dangerous. Radioactive fallout is harmful, so stay indoors for safety. Turn off gas and fuel supplies, extinguish fires, and ration water for drinking and cooking. Use water sparingly, don't flush toilets. Conserve food. It needs to last 14 days. If in a fallout area, stay in a secure room until an official all-clear message. Listen for updates. Save battery. Turn off radios now. Sirens will now be sounding if you live in a 400-mile radius of New York City, New York, Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, San Antonio, Texas, San Diego, California, Dallas, Texas, San Jose, California, Jacksonville, Florida, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, San Francisco, California, and Columbus, Ohio.
This is an ABC News special report.
The Russian government has launched an uncertain number of ballistic missile warheads toward the United States and its allies. The first missile detonated hit Aomori in Japan's northern regions. NORAD has confirmed that they have shot down 6 ballistic missiles heading for the 50 states. The cities outside of the danger zone have now been confirmed, with them being Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois, Anchorage, Alaska, although it was uncertain if Anchorage was a target, Phoenix, Arizona, Seattle, Washington, and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you are in a 200-mile radius of New York City, New York, Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, take cover in a fallout shelter now. You have less than 5 minutes to react as these missiles are en route to your city at this minute. The United Nations building has been safely evacuated, and leaders are holding an emergency meeting at Bern, Switzerland. Stay tuned for further updates. This has been an emergency action broadcast by the United States government.
This is an urgent message from the Wartime Broadcasting Service. We regret to inform you that our country is under imminent threat of nuclear strikes. You have approximately 1 minute before these strikes are anticipated to hit. Stay calm and take immediate steps to ensure your safety. First and foremost, seek shelter without delay. Locate the nearest fallout shelter or a sturdy building. If you are unable to find a designated shelter, retreat to the innermost part of your home, away from windows, to maximize your protection against fallout. Simultaneously, it is crucial to turn off utilities. Switch off gas and fuel supplies to prevent potential hazards. Extinguish any open flames to minimize the risk of fires. Rationing resources is essential for your survival. Conserve water strictly for drinking and cooking purposes. Do not flush toilets, and use water sparingly. Reserve food supplies, as they may need to sustain you for an extended period, possibly up to 14 days. Stay informed by tuning into this channel for regular updates. Follow official instructions and remain vigilant. In the event you cannot locate a shelter, contact the emergency hotline at emergency hotline number immediately. Provide your location and adhere to the guidance to enhance your chances of safety. Remember, your safety is of utmost importance. Save battery power. This urgent